Hey, it's in Ashes. Welcome back to part 2 of our Rebel Clash box break. We have 18 packs left. In our first half, we got a Phalanx V, a Pincherton V, and a Carparaja V Max. So hopefully lots of good stuff left. All right. Grass Energy, Lombre, Hanklucha, NDD, Bronzor, Toxel, Applin, Galarian Darumaka, Bunnelby, a Toxel Reverse, and a regular rare Toxtricity. Let's take our packs out. Pack number 2. We have an Electric Energy, a Nugget, Tranquil, Horror Energy, a Galarian Darumaka, Bunnelby, Vulpix, a Phantom, Galarian Farfetch'd, a reverse Shovel, and a regular rare Abomasnow. So 2 regular rares in a row. Two, three, 4. Have a Fighting Energy, Palossand, Milo, Turffield Stadium, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nosepass, Wingull, Phantom, a reverse holo Galar Mine, and wow, Dragapult V Full Art. Awesome. Probably my favorite Pokemon out of the new generation. Wow, look at the fire. Looks pretty cool. All right. We got a Fire Energy, Twin Energy, Phalanx, Masquerine, Wingull, Phantom, Bronzor, Toxel, Applin, Stone Journer, which is a star, and a holo Clefable. Cool. One, 2, 3, 4. Is that 4? Yeah. Can't count today. We have a Psychic Energy, a Beware, Speed Energy, Pelipper, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandygast, Roly-Poly, Stunky, a reverse holo Skunk Tank, and a regular rare barnacle. So we want those gold cards. And the boss. We got a Steel Energy, Charge-a-Bug, Shuckle, Dan, Roly-Coly, Stunky, Clefairy, Voltorb, Nose Pass, a Reverse Hollow Lotad, and what is it? A Rainbow Rare Sonya. Whoa. Pretty cool texture on that one. It's not Giovanni, but still pretty good Sonya. So doing pretty good on our second half. We got a Rainbow Rare and a Full Art. Maybe we got a good box. Maybe we'll get some more. My hand's so dry. We got a Water Energy, Training Court, Lampent, Metachan, Magmar, Galarian Yanmask, Surskit, Stuffle, Coughing, a Reverse Hollow Lombre, and a Ice Cube V. I still can't believe this thing's a Pokemon. When I first seen it, I didn't believe it. Thought it was a joke. Code 1, 2, 3, 4. I have a Dark Energy, Masquerine, Doublade, Catcher Energy, Stuffle, Coughing, Impidimp, Shinx, Sandy Gas, a Reverse Hollow Galarian Farfetch'd, and a regular rare Snorlax. Lots of packs left. Lots more chances to get some more good stuff. Grass Energy, Electrode, Beware, Polysand, Galarian Coleslaw, Pinnacle, Scyther, Bullaby, Dreepy, a Reverse Hollow Wingull, and a regular rare Arcanine. So we're doing pretty good on that, doubling up on anything. We have Electric Energy, Electrode, Tool Scrapper, come here, Curse Shovel, Bullaby, Dreepy, Magmar, Galarian Yanmask, Surskit, a Reverse Hollow Snorlax, which is rare, that's nice, and a regular rare Electivire. Which we don't have. So we're getting lots of cards for our collection in this box. Filling up the set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting Energy, more Pico, Scoop Up Net, Heracross, Temple, Trubbish, Helioptile, Honedge, Litwick, a Reverse Hollow Twin Energy, and a Hollow Grimmsnarl. There we go, our first Hollow in a long time. All right, Toxtricity pack. One, two, three, four. We got a Fire Energy, Lombre, Galarian Mine, Durant, Honedge, Litwick, a Galarian Corsola, Binnacle, a Scyther, a Hawklucha Reverse, and a Scizor, regular rare. Scizor's cool. One, two, three, four. And we have Psychic Energy, Tranquil, Horror Energy, Heatmore, Wingull, a Natu, Barbroach, oh boy, Scovet, Applin, Reverse Hollow Stunky, and a regular rare Luke DiColo. So another one we don't have. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs left of the box. Got a Metal Energy, Steel, whatever you want, Skyla, Electrode, Zatu, Shelvet, Applin, Temple, Trubbish, Helioptile, a Reverse Hollow Applin, and a regular rare Sigilyph. So it's a lot of regular rares in a row. This one's got the goods. Rillaboom. We got a Water Energy, Phalanx, Masquerine, Nugget, Hatina, Magikarp, Metatite, Stunky, Stinky, Grubbin, a Reverse Hollow Electrode, and a Boss's Orders Hollow. That's nice. Need him in a full art. Rainbow. All right, 3 packs left. Have a Dark Energy, Heliolisk, Burning Scarf, Indity, Stunky, Grubbin, Wingull, Natu, Barbroach, Appleton, Reverse, is a rare, and what's this one? It's sticky. A Cinderace V, Pretty cool. It's a nice card. Run out of room. 2 packs left. We got a Grass Energy, a Shuckle, a Dan, Twin Energy, Galarian Corsola, Litwick, Shinx, Roly-Poly, Applin, a Reverse Holo Indeedee, and a regular rare Magmortar. Alright, our very last pack of the whole box. Hopefully it's got something good. We'll go slow. We got an Electric Energy, a Pelipper, a Speed Energy, a Metapod, Roly-Poly, Applin, Hatina, Magikarp, Meditite, a Reverse Holo Galarian Corsola, the rare, and a regular rare Zamazenta. So not too bad. There you go. So, out of our whole box, these are the big cards we got. We got Cinderace V, Phalanx V, Pincurchin V, Copperajah V Max, a Dragapult V Full Art, a Sonya Rainbow Rare, and an SQV. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.